Hey Gail, Dennis. So a picture's worth 1,000 words. So if that's the case, I have no idea what a video's worth. Um, so a couple things. This is the client screen. So there's tons of user defined. So here's what I came up with. You have the type up here, and this is obviously to create anything you want up here. So you could come in here and say 7. This is a deck. Whatever those classifications are. So I can have that up there as a type of customer. Okay. And then coming down over here over the left, I've got a miscellaneous 1, a miscellaneous 2, and if you have this little arrow pointing down here, that means it's a just quick list. So I can just come in here and say, this is miscellaneous question number 2. I can fill in whatever I want here. And then over here, I'm just going to highlight these so you can see them. Square foot of railing, and then the original quote, the percent of profit, the color, and then there's a field over here. I'll just type a date in here, 1/2/16. That's the last date of contact. So that's the last time somebody touched them, called them, talked to them. Down here under the bottom, there's a receivable invoice. So if I want to see the last date that I actually invoiced them something, I could just pull up the receivable invoices. They'd be in date order so I could see the last time I billed them. So everything is here. All of this stuff right here. I'm not going to mention the service invoices, the receive invoices though. Anything in here, as long as we can map it to Excel from your act, we can import that here. I'd like to know how many customers we're talking about. I don't know if it's 1,000 or 10,000. I like to know that number just to make sure. But yep, we have user defined fields. These are all pull downs. So you have the pull downs on the miscellaneous, pull downs on the type, and I've put one on here, which you probably have in your system, is the source of the customer. Where did the customer come from? And then an area. And then if you need to, there's a notepad up here to type in the directions on how to get there. So anyway, I think I got you covered. You give me a call if this raises any additional questions. Thanks.